pack your bags, let's sail away to the land of opportunity. Richard Hart has changed the game. He raised the bar, now DeFi will never be the same. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. The haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Roads paved with gold, truth be told, we're changing lives. Hex 55, stake that hex to stay alive. The captain chilling with the BlackSheep, we rapping and packing our bags. We're blessed to wake up every day, cause we're on the Pulsechain. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. In Mexico, the haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Had to join cause you couldn't beat us. Now you got financial freedom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. And the beat is gonna beg and we're all gonna be rich. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico.
DJs United. We got Romex, Wolf, Robar, we got Venus, we got Daddy, we got Tin Top, we got Veritas, and a partridge and a pair T-shares. What up?
Teachers!
How you doing?
Teachers! Teachers!
Everybody doing today?
Dude, man, I need the next 23 days to go fast. Go fast.
Donald Pump coming into office and
Donald Pump!
man,
Hey, we still meme coin Donald Pump.
Ripping.
all right.
Yeah, we still meme coin Donald Pump.
Donald Pump. Oh yeah, looks good. We're going the right direction now. Freaking the fuck out. Damn.
Damn!
Damn. All that.
Let's go.
Yep. So
Yeah.
yep, still just as excited today as I was yesterday and 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So what we got? Make it rain. Make it rain. There we go. All right.
Get the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
Let's go. Robex. What up, man? What you laughing at? Oh, he's laughing because he won. He's laughing because he is the winner. What up?
That's all Romance does is win.
Oh!
No.
Trying to snipe it. You assholes.
Oh, Ian J's in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me try.
That was
Make
the
it
first time I
run!
seen it.
Make it run.
I'm voting on Ian J this one.
Sniper.
There we go.
Sniper.
Oh, look at that beautiful Trump 2024 background. It's aging very well.
Aging very, very well.
45.7.
Turn into a fine whiskey bed now.
45.7.
I I think people were mad as fuck when they saw that. You know it, dude. We had
Dude,
some
that was so
haters
funny,
amongst
dude.
us.
Like, it just happened to be that shit. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I'm like, that's really what he said. Yep. 45, 47.
Yeah.
Oh,
And for the Democrats, it was and we're like, yeah, boy. What up, cookies?
Cookies and ice cream.
Yeah,
In the
cookies is ready
morning,
to go.
in the evening.
He's ready
Don't
for
you
a
have
ticket.
fun?
He wants that $1,000. We got 742 tickets remaining, DJs, and someone's winning $1,000.
Someone's gonna win them.
Yeah, might be a couple of days, couple months, couple weeks. You never know. But we're not going anywhere. So, yeah.
No, we're not. No, no, no.
This doesn't look
No,
like
no,
Santa.
no. Oh,
Look like
man.
Santa. I guess so. Yeah, I'm getting there. It's in time for the holidays.
Man, I hate fucking
You're not
Christmas.
gonna shave that all in November?
Yeah, no shave November. I know. Well, it started in April. Yeah, but everything looking good.
He's
We got,
just following through for the year.
what's our fucking ratio at now? 47-87. Nice.
That sounds like 1.5. You rounded up. 1.5,
Yeah.
baby.
Yep. What we got? Who we got out there?
Hey, so you still have snow out there, or no?
No. It just came down like one night and then.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay.
It'll be back.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. No, but like I said, I like snow. I don't know if I can live in the snow, but I like to hang out in the snow for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Maybe
Yeah,
like 3 to 5 days, not like 2-3 months.
When I was in college, I lived in snow for a little bit, and
Yeah,
it's
but you're all
fucking-
furry and hairy and shit. You probably won't stay naturally warm. You're a fucking Yeti.
I'm not worried about like being cold, but it's fucking annoying because you have to it tracks into your house. It sticks to you because you're static, so it sticks to like your legs and like it comes all into your house if you're going in and out and shit. And then you have to like clear, stairs if you have stairs and shovel the freaking.
Yeah, like I said, I don't think I want to live in a very long, but I would like to hang out in the snow for like 4 to 7 days. You know what I'm saying? Not like months or not like a whole winter season.
Yeah.
Hey, no, do you have snow out there where you're at? You do, huh?
You should.
Yeah, we typically get snow, but it's been like 80 degrees here. It's fucking weird.
Oh wow.
We're having like an Indian winter or some shit this year.
I don't know. It's real weird because my cherry tree usually starts to go dormant right now. It's got flowers.
Budding. It's budding, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
all of this shit's fucked up. Definitely, they're fucking shit up.
It's very weird.
Yeah. We had like we had a late start on our summer and a late end on our summer. It was like
This is normally what it would look like in like February, March.
Yeah.
It's weird. All my fruit trees are kind of doing that right now.
All right, are we gonna continue watching the price action on Wrap Bitcoin and PDI and Pulsechain?
Go.
All right, USDC, dude. Yeah, Tether is actually almost in price discovery too. All right, man. A 3-day bullish engulfing candle printed on Wrap Bitcoin. We're looking to see if we get continuation off this candle. We just now confirmed a MACD cross for the first time since our cross here in August, which produced a pretty nice movement out of that bottom, right? It produced about a 200% move. If we replicate this type of momentum and movement, we could be looking at the same type of movement. A 100%, or roughly an 80% move puts us at the wick high from April of 2024. Yeah, we're getting a lot of wildfires right now. Yeah, that's true. We are. anyways, hopefully that doesn't happen where I am. But if it does, I'm fucked because I live on a mountain, so that can definitely happen, and that would suck. But yeah, so back to Wrap Bitcoin here. What we're looking at, or what it looks like to me, is it looks like a flag pattern, right? And we're right. I would say we're right on the cusp of breaking. We had like a bit of a fake break here, and we dip right back in.
Yep.
Need a partial decline. It's called a partial decline. Okay, a partial decline is a very bullish thing to see because
say it with me now, kids.
a very bullish thing to see because when you get a partial decline and not a full, like if Bitcoin did this and broke the channel,
oh shit, yeah,
right? That's not what we want to see. There's more market participants here than there were here, and then there were here, and then there were here, and then there were here. We continue to make low, higher low, higher low, higher low, a slightly higher low, another higher low. Lots of accumulation happening on these lows, right? So eventually, what's going to happen is there's not going to be any more supply left on this token, and there's going to be enough demand to push the price way up. And so the chart is telling you that. And this is what you want to. This is really what you want to see when you're in an asset is continuance of accumulation. And if this actually plays out, which it looks like it's going to, it looks very good right here. If we take away this channel, all right, and we just remove it, okay, and we just leave it looking like this, you can see that, yeah, we had this break here, but I would say that was a fake breakout because we didn't sustain above this major trend line, right? It's been regarded as resistance.
yeah.
We tried to break it here, fake breakout. We tried to break it again, regarded as resistance. Tried to break it again, resistance. Okay, so very clear, this level right here is regarded as a big supply zone. We are butting up against it right now with momentum that just shifted on the time frame. Big momentum shift on the 3-day chart. Okay, so a big swing up. This to me looks like a very, very high probability chance that this is going to break north. And if we measure from the bottom to the top of the triangle here, it's a roughly 1,100% measured move. All right. For all of you out there, that's roughly almost a 12x. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to do the whole 12x. What could happen is we get an impulse out of here. Okay, we might even just rally up to this wick, and we might pull back. But the important thing is when we do pull back, we use this level as support, and we hold it before we can reset and make last up. Right. Because it may not have enough momentum to really break this, right? Because this asset, I mean, I guess today it did 200,000 in trading volume. That's a decent amount for Wrap Bitcoin. But yeah, so I mean, listen, anything's possible if Pulsechain just starts going nuts, and all the major core assets start going nuts, right? The bonded liquidity is against Pulsechain for this particular pair. That's gonna push the price up, right? That's Hart's law. And so. But to me, this looks extremely bullish. Like this thing is gonna probably put a candle in. Like you guys haven't.
You've been talking about this candle, dude. I can't wait to see it.
You guys haven't we haven't seen something like this before on this asset. Okay, and it looks to me like this is going to happen in a big way. In a big way.
Right. Are you listening, Cookies?
Yeah,
he doesn't care. He'd rather trade his meme coins, and that's perfectly fine. This asset, in my opinion, is not
their own.
I like it because it's not as volatile as a meme coin. There is volatility with it, but it's when the whole rest of the ecosystem is doing its volatility. So the volatility right now is actually going to be to the upside. So it's going to be violent to the upside on this move.
Oh yeah, I can see everyone accumulating right now. But man, we just seen it at like 140.
Yeah, I know. We were buying it like down there at $100.
Yep. I mean, I was buying it here at 180s too. This level here, I was buying.
Yeah.
And then
I waited for this, like 120 or something.
I waited for this drop, and I puke bought right at the trend line a lot.
120
Wow.
each for 100 Bitcoin. Real
Yeah.
Bitcoin. That will be
That's
paid
crazy.
eventually.
That's fucking crazy.
I went back in 2013.
Let's look at the die chart because the die chart looks beautiful. Completely different type of structure, but you can clearly see, right? Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Oh, what? Another higher low.
Wow, look at that.
Huh.
Weird.
Wonder what's going to happen next.
I wonder what's going to happen next.
Just chilling at the bottom of the channel, just getting ready to.
Oh, and dude, you know what's really sick? You see how we just barely made any negative momentum on the MACD? This is the weekly time frame.
Yeah.
This is like fucking God candle send it shit is what this is telling me.
Hallelujah.
I'm not even kidding. This is the craziest bullish divergence you'll ever see on a weekly time frame. Weekly cross.
Cookies. Listen.
There's the cookies.
Okay.
He's like,
Okay, this is
P Dot is ripping.
this is happening.
I whipped the shit out of his fucking head.
This is definitely happening, folks. And
Whipped the shit out of just about everything.
I would be the first one to tell you that it's not happening. If I didn't like the chart or see something that was brewing on this chart,
Cool.
I'm seeing it brewing on this chart, guys.
Yeah.
Full disclosure, I own both of those assets. Okay. And I'm not one of those people that are like, oh, I'm only in it when it goes up. No, man. I was buying this thing when it was crashing down here, and I was telling the community that I was puke buying it. Like, yeah, because I didn't know if this was the bottom, but it felt like the bottom. When it's uncomfortable, when it's the market is so uncomfortable, when everyone's disinterested in the market, that's usually when a bottom is in.
Yeah.
When everyone's all euphoric and shit and like, look at my fucking portfolio. Okay. It's probably time to start taking the profit. Okay. Yeah. I'm not saying we're at that level just yet because the chart is telling you some things are really brewing and coming with this asset. But when the time comes and this thing isn't pegged just yet, because I think they're going to still let it be volatile for a bit because that's how you can make a lot of money and accumulate a lot of DAI.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Yeah, I bought it for 120. I think he bought it for 130. And yeah, sitting on a fucking shitload of them. And watch what it's going to be worth in about 5 years.
Probably less than that because let's be real about it. There's only 154,000 wrapped Bitcoins on Pulsechain.
Yeah.
And the holder, the admin keys are in BitGo's hands. They're a major entity. They're not just going to sit there and mint more Bitcoin without actually having the Bitcoin to mint.
Yeah.
But I think what's going to happen, and this is my speculation, is that RH is going to buy the admin keys from BitGo because he's got them. He's the majority holder on Pulsechain.
Oh. He could do that? That'd be interesting.
He can do anything he wants. He's Richard Hart.
Yeah. Guess so.
He's
fucking rumored billionaire that's fucking shit up in the space. So yeah, I think at this point I'm pretty convinced he can do anything.
Okay. So the major fib extension is roughly like 6.5 cents. Okay, 6 to 8 cent region, I would say, which is confluent with this meeting of this trend line if we respect it in regard. But I think more short term, once we get into price discovery, we're looking at these in between fib levels, which is like 1.5 to 2.5 cents. All right, that's like a 3 to 5x from here. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys reasonable price targets because when you give like, oh, it's gonna do 100x,
it's going to 75 cents.
those are like unrealistic things to look at, and like we don't know because we don't know if this thing is just going to peg one day, or we have the inclination to believe that it's going to peg. We just don't know when. But because we don't know when that's happening, and this is your hard-earned money that's in this asset. Okay, if you did buy this bottom down here, like I did, well, I mean, you're looking at almost a 9 or 10x on your capital. That's like, what do you fucking want, man? That's amazing.
Shit. We have 10x's all over the place. This is cool.
Yeah, but the thing is people get greedy and think 10x is nothing, dude.
Yeah.
Like, go find me an asset. Go find me an asset that you can buy that's going to do a 10x in, I don't know, what, 3-4 months on spot.
Yeah.
Okay, a meme coin. Yeah. You know what the problem with meme coins is? Is that you blink an eye and the thing gets rugged.
This
Right.
ain't going nowhere.
This thing, we know what it does. Like when it goes through its cycle, it has 85% or 90% corrections, and then it just recovers in a big way. Higher low, higher high. We'd like to see now a higher high is what we want. What we want to see here is a higher high. We don't want to see this get rejected at this all-time high. But I'm here to tell you that this chart is telling and screaming, look at your momentum wave. You just crossed up on the weekly time frame. This thing's going to do something crazy, guys. It's probably going to blow past my target that I just gave you.
Nice.
Like probably.
Yeah.
Well, it's been doing everything you said it's going to do so far. So,
Have you looked at BFF lately?
I think I looked at it the other day. It looked like it was in a rectangle range, and
Yeah, it's just been accumulating.
right. Yeah, very, very close to breaking out. Right.
oh look,
Very-
another Maria scam coin cookies. About to go back up to the fucking top.
another weekly cross up, and weekly RSI sitting bullish. Looks like a cup and handle on the RSI.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, I personally don't own this one because, like, to me, like this was this is a pain in the ass to get out of, and like,
Yeah.
So, but
Yeah.
good luck. I don't see anything bad with it, anything wrong with this structure. It just looks like a rectangle range, and I think once you break this range, you're going to see fireworks. Yeah, you're definitely going to see fireworks. So the bottom of the range, the top of the range is a 423% move. So that means that this asset from the break is a 4x. Okay. So whatever that trend on the top here is 6,000. So you're looking at about a $24,000 BFF is what this is telling you. Maybe more.
Damn.
I don't know.
That's
Maybe
supposed
more.
to be its second leg.
Maybe more. Yeah, probably somewhere between 18 and 20-ish thousand. But I'm not on log scale. When you go on log scale, this thing probably looks even crazier. Yeah, it does. It does.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a massive bull flag. It looks like.
Yeah. Just accumulate.
Teddy Bear's best friend. I like that.
Yeah, teddy bear looking solid too. We talked about this
Teddy Bear's gonna be
yesterday.
dumb shit, dude.
Teddy bear.
Cookies is always looking for the best meme coin, and he don't even own any
Right
of this.
there, laying next to him in bed.
I know, dude.
But it's not doing trading volume, man. Okay.
Yeah.
No, it's just because it's a Maria coin. That's all
Check
it
this
is.
out, dude. This is all you need to fucking look at. This is the TVL on Pulsechain.
But it's in the beginning of the sayonara candle.
This is the start of the craziness that's gonna happen. And like
Yeah.
if you zoom this out and you shrink it and you like compare it to like looking at like base, okay, this is where we're at. 500 million, 400 million. We're right here. If you look at the base chart,
Yeah.
that's where we're at on Pulsechain right now. Base is
Yeah.
at almost 3 billion in TVL.
Yeah.
Do you understand what that's going to do to these fucking liquidity pools?
Yeah. It's gonna do
Yeah.
stupid shit when we add a
Yeah.
fucking another $1 billion on top of it.
This
An
thing's,
08 bag.
this thing's probably
Peg and
gonna
Pete
go,
Eye.
it's probably going to go to 10 billion TVL pretty quick, right? Because Hex leads the liquidity for the chain, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And Pulsex has the most TVL. Dude, Pulsex has 320 million in TVL, and
Yeah.
it's probably cheap.
Yeah,
Here.
it's gonna be the shit, dude.
Yeah. Let's look at the Pulsex chart because that's
It's
the biggest utility token on Pulsechain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
this is probably a fucking huge buy. It says that it's got 4.2 billion market cap. Is that right?
For what?
Hey,
Pulsex?
Pulsex?
Yeah. Yeah.
Holy fuck balls.
Dude, these things, this fucking ecosystem's no joke, bro. It's fucking
this
Stack
chain's
Daddy.
gonna
Yeah.
this chain's gonna change how people look at crypto.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This
Exactly.
is where you're at on Pulsex. All right.
Yeah.
This is it. This is it. This is a massive. I would call it a descending triangle on the weekly time frame from bottom to top of the triangle is a 12x move.
Look at it in ratio term when you're done with this.
12x. Damn. Yeah.
Against Pulsechain, it's probably ripping.
It is.
It's just
it's
just up and to the
like
right.
Fucking beginning of the year. It's just been fucking crushing.
It's just up and to the right. Yeah.
Yeah.
If this starts losing its channel, that means Pulsechain's going nuts. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, that's a good idea. Let's look at Wrap Bitcoin versus Pulsechain. I didn't do that, but to me, I think I already know that it's outperforming it.
What's up, Pooey?
Oh my God! Look at the Wrap Bitcoin pairing against Pulsechain.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Dude, I remember this. This was that trade we took in March. Remember this?
Yeah.
That was that double bottom, and that's when Bitcoin went to $400 after that. Yeah. Yeah, dude. This looks retarded.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at it.
This
Look at
thing was
the
just designed to fucking melt faces, dude.
look at the bull div on the weekly time frame. Look where the MACD is above the 0 line.
Yeah.
That's hyper bullish. That's hyper bullish. Hyper bullish.
It's squeezing like a motherfucker.
It's squeezing like a motherfucker.
It's about to burst.
Yeah, look at the volume. Look at how it's receded.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh
Get
boy.
ready to snap, crackle, pop.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Yeah, and it usually does its moves when Pulse is doing really bad.
Well, I think they're all going to be doing really well, and what's going to happen is the ones that have the most divergence
multiply it up.
are going to be like fucking god candles. Yeah. Like we could wake up tomorrow and fucking dies up 200% in one candle type of move.
Fuck.
Yeah. No,
That'd be
definitely. Teddy Bear's gonna do that.
I know we've seen it before though.
I'm not kidding, dude, because as soon as the TVL breaks this neckline right here, what's here? Nothing. Just straight up to the top of the structure. Yeah. And then guess what? What happens when we bust that? You go into price discovery on TVL, and then all the assets that are used to be pooled, like the TVL most of the TVL is going to go into Pulsex, right? That's where it all is. And then what? Liquid loans is next. Yeah, I'd be betting like if I was like betting millions of dollars on Pulsechain, and I wanted an asset that is going to deliver me the most value in terms of TVL, it's Pulsex. Just all in on Pulsex. That's what it is. Like if I had millions and I was like wanting to take a lot of risk with it, that's where I'd be putting my money because that's where all the money is. Oh, and Hex, but Hex isn't on DeFi Llama, so I can't see that. But yeah,
There's not.
no, Hex is not on DeFi Llama.
Cock block.
Right. That's funny, dude. They got everything else on the chain though.
Well, Uniswap dropped Hex, right?
Yeah, Uniswap did, but he's looking at Pulsechain right here, right?
Yeah,
I know, but it might just be a thing.
Oh shit! Do you see this like V-shaped recovery on stablecoins coming into Pulsechain?
Oh shit!
What does that mean? Because when they bring stablecoins in, you know what that means, right?
That means shit's gonna pump.
That means they rip it into yield farms and then they rip it into assets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It'll be fun.
Yeah. Let's look at ETH.
Wait long enough.
Here's ETH. Look at ETH TVL fucking rounding out that bottom, man. Woo! ETH is gonna go nuts.
Has it passed 3K yet?
It touched 2,900 today.
It's
passed
like
2950
earlier.
2920. It broke the range. We talked about this on stream last night.
Yeah.
I drew it for you guys. I drew it. Top of the structure, pull back, make a higher low, retest the range, breakout into price discovery.
Damn.
And that could take a couple months.
Okay.
Maybe. Maybe not. This might just fucking just go. Because what's the ETH Bitcoin ratio right now? I bet you that shit fucking
it's flying
right now.
Oh my god. We talked about this last night, right at the bottom of the trend line.
Yeah, swap all your Bitcoin into Ethereum.
That's the trade. That's the trade right now. Yeah, definitely. Look at that candle. Hello. I'm still alive, guys. We're at the trend line.
Let's swap all your Ethereum into Pulsechain.
Well, first you buy the ETH. First you buy the ETH right now.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you roll the ETH to Pulsechain. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you're smart, you just hold die and wrap Bitcoin and you just fucking fly with it all.
Yeah.
You just hold it in Ethereum until you see Sack Daddy moving that money over.
Yeah, just follow the Sack
jump
money.
right in with him.
Yeah, Sack Daddy.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a fucking stupid fucking run. Is what this is gonna be. This is gonna be a stupid run.
Dude,
I thought the 2017 cycle was sick. This is gonna be stupid. This is gonna be stupid. This is gonna be stupid.
Right.
The amount of capital that's coming into this market right now is absolutely off. It's literally off the chart. Here's the stablecoin issuance into this market right now. There's 158 billion in stablecoins. I think this is going to, this was 2021. The stablecoin issuance. This was last cycle. This was 3,000% growth in stablecoins. Let's put it in log scale to get a real perspective on this. So what this really means is that this is a long-term channel, right? 1 touch, 2, 3 touches, 1 touch here. We're just bouncing off of this right now. So this is just going to go whoop, another 800%. We're just going to get to roughly probably 1.2 to 1.3 trillion in stable coins.
Damn.
That's almost a 10x in capital inflows into this market.
Yeah.
That makes sense because that means majority of it's going into ETH and Bitcoin, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you don't need a lot for these smaller caps to grow. Right?
Yeah.
Aerodrome's on a fucking moon mission, dude. This coin is. We can sit here and talk shit about base, but you can't sit here and talk shit about base. Base is solid. Base is gonna get some of the biggest adoption in this cycle.
I guarantee it, but I'm not part of it.
Well, inherently, if you bought some NFTs, you're part of it. Because I just bought a meme on there. I bought we got Miggles that we're 3x on Miggles right now. Straight up, we're 3x on it in 3 days. 3x. Miggles. Oh, KeyCat, we're up 50% on. Let's go.
Yeah, I was looking in your little folder, and it's up some money for the NFTs.
It's up. Yep, been managing it pretty actively. Leaving all the Pulsechain stuff, I got in that stuff in like August, July. When we started this. That's why we started it with that, because I knew that was the bottom.
Yeah,
the market, and that's why I stopped the minting now, because I don't want people coming in while things are like already off their lows. You know, I mean, I guess in theory we probably could still keep it open for a bit, but I don't know. I don't want to do that. I just want to manage what I have here and just grow it and
see what happens.
Well, we know what's going to happen.
I just mean the final number.
Yeah. You know, there's always going to be people that are going to want to FOMO into it at the top, and I just don't want that. But what we could do is we could open it up for stablecoin yielding or something, right? And we can.
I mean, if you want to open up the NFTs for sale, I think you have to do whatever each NFT is worth from the price that went up and charge them that much, so they're entering at the same price as the people that are in it.
Well, we would reset it, right? So, like, if I ended this stake or whatever.
Oh, just pay out. Yeah,
reset. But I'm not interested in taking profit right now. Like a couple grand on. I mean, yeah, percentage wise, it's actually not a bad gain. Like I think right now we're at what was the total on the sales of the NFTs? Was it like 7K or something?
Yeah, 60 something hundred.
60,
yeah.
Let me see. It was 6,800. Okay, so I'm up more than 50% on this portfolio right now.
Okay. There we go.
It's better than some of these guys just ripping it into some Ponzi's. Yeah, I'm up 36%. 36%.
Yep.
I guess you set up a poll and see how many people really want to get into it. Determine whether it's worth it or not.
Well, I mean, then if there's a lot ends up being a lot of capital, I'm just gonna probably park a lot of it in like lower risk assets like ETH and Pulsechain. But if it's
Or you can do like V2 and just have a second wallet for the next ones.
nah, that's just annoying. If anything, I want more wallets on more chains so I can have exposure to more assets. Right now, I'm just messing with all the EVMs, and I mean, we do have a Solana wallet, but I haven't really fucked with that because I feel like the Solana lottery is like, yeah, I don't know. Can get wrecked. Can get wrecked. Can get wrecked really quick in those. At least on base, it's pretty good. They're pretty reliable things on there. ETH is obviously reliable. There's not a lot of rugs on ETH. Yeah, I don't know. I'm like fully exposed to all these memes. That's for sure. Right now, that's what's moving. So like, I want to be in the things that are moving, and kind of quickly. Like I said, Miggles. We put $500 in Miggles. It's worth 1.4K right now. That's probably our best trade on the board right now.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Fucking Migglesworth. Cookie's saying SD.
Oh yeah, he's been fucking wet for SD.
Oh yeah, he thinks it's the new Sheep or something.
Okay,
that's
dude.
What he said about Hannah too, but didn't work.
Hannah did pretty good today, dude.
SD up
It did make a comeback though.
There you go, dude.
Yeah, look at Hannah after this.
Bro, I have no issues with people buying meme coins right now. Like it's literally a meme cycle.
Yeah, it's meme cycle. 100%.
Yeah, I'm exposing myself to them too because that you just have to do it.
I saved my load for the best meme coin ever, which is Teddy Bear.
Yep.
This memes AI coin went nuts, dude. Absolutely.
I'm gonna win on a meme coin. I'm gonna win big as fuck.
This thing went nuts. I said down here this was the low, and it's only 4x from the low.
Yep.
Cookies.
I got that.
Cookies.
I didn't put that much in, but I got it.
Moo Dang is starting to fucking send again, dude. This thing. Yeah, and what do you know? I drew that out, bro. Oh my god, I broke it. Weird. It's like I drew it going to the top and then pulling back and basing out here and then going into price discovery. Oh, yeah, weird. Interesting. Very overbought here. Very overbought. I would not buy this right now. Do not buy this here. Daily looks good though. I mean, I don't know, dude. What? This thing's just gonna consolidate here and then just fucking send it? Yeah, it is. Look at the daily. Yeah.
I already thought it left me behind.
It's gonna go a lot higher. This coin. Okay. Yes, it is going to go a lot higher.
Moo Dang.
Everything's gonna launch.
AAA. This one on Sui is probably a good one too. This wedge break and
no, the NFTs are closed, Robo.
Unless someone privately DMs me and says they want $10,000 worth of NFTs, they're closed.
Right? They'll open it back up.
Yeah.
That's looking really bullish.
This looks really good. That's a major flag and break and back test and yeah. Nice cross up. Of course, I bought fucking Sui Llama. I bought Sui Llama and I'm getting wrecked on it, dude. Fuck me. This thing sucks, dude. I don't even know why I fucking bought this.
Do Hannah on ETH.
Yeah, this is probably gonna go, even though it sucks. Hannah on ETH.
It's like a little sheep looking dog.
Yeah. Looks like I charted it before. Okay, yeah, looks good. Yeah, man, you're rounding a base. You can see the hammer candle that came in here. You're seeing continuation on it. It's good.
Yeah, nice little green candle there.
You want to see volume come in. You see how the volume's tapered off here? You want to see this breakout. You want to see a big volume spike around it. Okay, that's important because the price going up with the volume not supporting it is usually not a good sign. This fucking Zerbro coin went nuts, dude. Went absolutely berserko nuts. So look at that. Just right off the trend line. Just see you later, dude. My God, dude. My fucking God. Just
Zero.
bro, I identified this thing back here when it was nothing.
Yeah.
It was down here.
Wow.
It's fucking gone, dude. It did fucking. Oh my God!
Yeah.
It did two. What is that? 28,000%. That's what is that?
I never even heard of
what
this.
is that? What is that? 200x?
Yep.
Yeah, 200x.
Holy shit! Fuck me sideways.
Damn.
280x. I had $1,000 in this thing. I would have made 280 grand in 7 days.
What the fuck? You had money in it? But you sold it?
I traded this move here. I traded this move here to here, and I made like $5 grand.
See, that's the bad part about getting out of these sometimes, huh?
100%.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you don't know if they're gonna rug, bro. Like, you don't when it's like a fucking.
I get it.
$500,000.
You also don't know if they're gonna retire you by the next day.
Yeah, you don't. You just don't.
Why do you think I just fucking continue to DCA this shit and hold on?
Yeah, just hold.
Hold on my nutsack and pray for the best.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Rip ETH. This thing's probably wrecked.
Play enough of them, you gotta win one, right?
That was a fucking winner, dude. That was a
Rip
winner.
ETH.
That was a winner. This is now a $50 million market cap overnight. Overnight, $50 million.
Did that mega ETH ever come out? They were like talking about doing like a mega ETH for Ethereum.
I don't know. I'm in this one right now and I'm wrecked on it, but I think that this thing is about to do some stupid shit.
That's fucking crazy, dude. That was a fucking zero to fucking hero. Hero.
Here you go.
Yeah, that.
This is low. This if you're interested in another meme coin that's AI stuff, they have AI agents and stuff. This one looks ready to go. Bottom of the range, low risk area to take a trade. Just not financial advice. I mean, this one personally. You know, maybe this goes to 50 million market cap in like 2 days. Like Zerbro. Fucking memes AI. This one definitely gonna go. This one.
Yeah.
Very structured. Very good structure.
I bought someone who talked about it.
So you're
Not
lit.
that much. I should probably
You gotta be up like at least 50% on it.
Yeah. Probably something like that.
Beautiful. What do you want? I want 100x, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear it. This one I told Cookies to buy yesterday.
Up, dog.
IB, whatever. I don't fucking know. Doesn't matter. Look what this thing did.
What's that red arrow say?
Fucking 120% off this wedge break. Yeah. Stupid shit. This is another one that I bought and sold because I'm an idiot. Off the bottom of the range. Yep, gone. See ya. Bye-bye.
Wasn't that what they're supposed to do when they break out of the wedge?
Yeah, but what happens usually after a wedge break is you can potentially go into price discovery. Like this one's probably going to go into price discovery.
Well, I'm just saying, shouldn't you stay in it then?
Depends what the goal is with the trade. If the goal is just to flip money and make money real quick, like if you sit here and you're making 30-40% on a scalp trade every day, you do that 10 times a week, that's 4x.
Yeah, I don't have that trading mindset.
With these memes, you kind of have to because you don't know if they're going to rug. Especially in the Solana casino, right?
100%.
It's different. It's different if the Solana asset has been around for 3 months or 4 months and it's just basing out and whatever. Then you can probably buy and hold something like that because it's got chart history. But if you don't have chart history, then you have no fucking clue. Tomorrow, this thing just fucking rugs. It's over. Done. See ya. Bye.
Yeah, I don't know how many months I've been in the AMC one now.
Yeah.
that one's not rugging, dude. It would have rugged a long time ago.
I know. The stock went down a little bit, but the crypto did well. Held price.
The stock went down a lot, 6%. Got rejected right there.
Mm-hmm.
Garbage. That sucks.
Garbage.
To be fair, my stock went down today too that I bought. Thought this was going to break out today. Didn't do it. Tried. Attempted.
I'm just hoping that thing gives some enthusiasm to the fucking meme coin. It's the only reason why I care about AMC stock.
This might come all the way back down to 160, and if it breaks 160, I'm probably just cutting the trade because there's nothing below this. It can just go to 0 or something. I don't know. It's literally the size of Wrap Bitcoin's market cap. It's a $60 million stock. They're probably completely bankrupt, but who cares? I don't know. I was looking at this squeeze here, and last time it squeezed like that, it went up 80x in 5 days.
What does Quant look like to you? Like, what can it do this bull run? Quant, yes, QNT.
Yeah, I don't really know too much about this project, but
I'm just saying chart wise.
Potential low.
Well, I've been holding for a while.
What? Yeah, I mean, if this holds this range low, I mean, you're probably going to do okay on this. Looks like a big bull flag.
What does the fib say? Like,
I'm going to show you right now. This was its first wave, Elliott wave, and had your ABC correction here. But I would probably fib from this top to the low to get more of an accurate representation of in between Fibonacci levels. So yeah, maybe like 700 to 1500 on this run if it breaks.
All right, that's a good show. I mean, it's chilling at the top of the channel.
What's interesting is showing at the top of the channel with the RSI wrecked at 40. So, okay, slingshot trade if it reverses here because you got, 1, 2, you got 3, you got triple MACD monthly bullish divergence on this asset.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and your wave trend is down way in the buy zone here on the monthly chart. Your 3 week, your 2 week. Probably your weekly all based out here. Yeah, this looks good in terms of like it being low risk and an area of potential value.
Yeah,
I would say yes. Doesn't look terrible. Looks better than KSM. I'll tell you what looks good though is an EGLD down here.
I was gonna ask you about that.
It looks really good down here.
That's the X one, right?
Multiverse X, yeah.
Yeah.
And there's only 32 million token supply.
Yeah, but should probably buy some more. Is it down?
Yeah, it's definitely down here. Yeah.
From when you called it out that one day?
I think it was like what? Like I was talking about it here in like September, right? Around like 25.
I don't know. I bought it that night.
It's still in an accumulation zone. Like you can't go wrong buying it here.
What's its current price?
26.89, dude. Yeah, look at the divergence on the weekly. That's once this thing breaks, it's gonna go flying, dude.
Is this better than putting more money into Quant?
I think so because there's less token supply.
Quant's got a pretty low token supply.
I like this. I like this chart a bit better. Last cycle, this thing did 1,000x.
Quant.
I'm not saying it's doing 1,000x this cycle. Maybe it could do like 100x. I don't know. More liquidity.
A good day, 100x during a good bull cycle.
It really wouldn't shock me if it got to $2,700, dude. Really, it wouldn't shock me at all.
Yeah, there's only 14 million and a half quant.
Okay. I mean, yeah, they're both probably good. They got really good tokenomics. Both
That's
these
one of the
projects.
reasons why I own it.
INJ's another one with low token supply.
Oh, what's the token supply? I don't think I ever paid attention to that.
Well, I'm pretty sure like 80% of it's staked right now. The token supply on INJ is, well, it's a lot more than everything else. 97 million, but that's really not a lot.
That's not bad.
Yeah, and the best thing about it
under
is,
$1 billion is like pretty
the
low
best,
supply
the best thing about it is the total supply is 100 million. It's like 97.7% in circulation. Yeah, the inflation on this is really, really, really low. I don't understand how they're able to give us such yield, though. That's what I'm. You know what could be a really big buy is because if INJ goes nuts, their DEX, it's called Dojo Swap. It's such a low cap. It's probably really risky play, but it's not. It's interesting. There's more liquidity than the market cap, but this looks crazy.
What is the price of ENJ?
INJ is 22 bucks. $22, yeah. But this, you might want to take a risk on this.
What about all that versus AVAX? Is AVAX around the same price now?
AVAX is good. AVAX is good. Yeah, man. All the major layer ones are buys. Like, I can't sit here and tell you that they're not. They are.
How's ADA looking? It's been pretty.
So Avalanche's TVL is flatline down here, bro. Okay, which means it's definitely a buy because you want to get in before it actually explodes on TVL.
What's this token supply? 720 million max. 447 right now.
I might actually just buy this Dojo Swap coin, dude. Because like, look at this. This is 3-day, and look at the 3-day bullish divergence on this is crazy. I mean, you're almost better just buying a meme coin, to be honest. But this at least has utility, though. I don't know. If INJ goes nuts, this is going to go nuts. And the all-time high on this was $1. This is like a 50x trade.
What's his market cap?
500K, but it's got 1.5 million in liquidity.
What the fuck?
I've never seen that before.
That's very odd.
It's over collateralized, yeah.
Do they give it out as reward for staking assets, or
they have restaking?
Providing liquidity.
They have restaking too. Yeah, that's probably why. They have
liquid. They pay that out.
They pay that. They have staked. Okay, they have. So you can stake INJ and earn DINJ, whatever the fuck that is.
Do they have is that a stable or
no? It's some sort of farm.
Dojo INJ, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They have a launch pad.
Is that what they're paying out for the rewards?
So on liquid staking, they're paying out. They're paying out stake dojo. When you stake INJ, you get dojo INJ, and then you could probably take the dojo INJ and go to their farm. Right, you can go to their farm, dojo INJ, and get 23% APR.
Hit stake INJ on the last one.
Where?
Go back.
INJ itself, you can stake for like 16% APR. So Dojo itself is giving you a 30% yield. Yeah, I mean, this coin doesn't do much volume, but if INJ blows up, then this is going to blow up. They have a money market too. That's fucking cool. Yeah, INJ is cool, man. INJ is pretty solid.
I got a little bit of it. I've never really done anything with it though.
What's Baby Dojo? What the fuck is this? Oh, it's a reflection
Probably a
token.
meme.
No, it's a reflection token. Oh, this is how they're burning Dojo. That's going to pump the price. It's a $500,000 market cap right now.
Yeah, no, that was the most entertaining part about it. What's the market cap of INJ? You know, like
In the billions, I think.
yeah, but I mean, like if it's doing that well, like its main exchange should do well.
This is a rebasing governance token? Yeah, fuck that.
What's its other exchanges on INJ?
I think that's the main one. Injective. Astroport. Astroport.
It just seems like a very low market cap.
The whole chain's got like no fucking volume. I thought Pulsechain was low. Shit.
But that's because INJ, its native chain, does a lot of its volume on ETH and Cosmos, right?
Oh.
It's cross chain. That's why INJ went to the moon early in the cycle.
Okay. That's what I'd say too if it was garbage. Oh, good. Yeah.
I saw you looking at Moon River the other day. Is that thing gonna come alive?
Moon River? I don't know. That all depends on
top of fucking the AVAX TVL. Holy shit.
Moon River's TVL is $4.5 million, dude. Wrecked.
Wrecked. Oh,
no, the chart on Moon River actually looks good.
Yeah.
Trying to put a higher low in here.
Yeah,
the weekly crossed up. This is gonna fucking send. We've seen what this thing does when it sends too.
Yeah.
Yeah, from $3 to $45 in like what? Fucking 2 months. But then it's just done for like a while.
Right.
Just like a quick re-up.
But like this right here is a flag. Yeah, I think
looks like a group of my buddies just came in there and just bought that shit up.
What shit up?
Sold on. No, I'm just saying it looks like a little pot of wells just showed up and just fucking bought that thing up real quick and then just cashed out.
That was actually them listing it on futures on Binance, that pump.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take this off Fib. Off log for a minute. Okay, so I would say Moon River's swing target is like $120. I would say that's the target.
Not bad.
Once it breaks $45, it's just straight down. So like
Cadena, Flow was doing pretty good the other day. No,
Flow looks great down here. Yeah, it's just so based out, man. Look at this thing.
Yeah, it's not looking that great.
I mean, I think it looks good.
Yeah, I mean,
you're not going to get a lower.
Not that risky at this moment.
It's not risky at all. This is a $540 million market cap down here.
Damn,
it's crazy. No, I'm familiar with the company and all that. I've been holding on it for a while.
I'm in it, dude.
It's not a bad buy to freaking add to the bag.
Position, yeah, definitely not. It's slow because this is like an.
It had a little green candle the other day, like popped up somewhere. That was the only reason why I thought about it.
Yeah, it popped right here, dude. Did probably a 20% move off that low.
Yeah.
But everything did that though.
Yeah, I know.
It did 15%. But yeah, this is like the end of the cycle, NFTs and all that bullshit. But like, are we going to see a mirror image of this pattern play out? I think it is going to do something like this.
Well, this came out during the drop of the bull market.
Yeah. No, it came out in August of 21, so before the drop, right before the drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. KSM ETH broke down. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen because ETH is going to go on a tear. Wrecked. Sand, bro. Remember Sand?
Yeah, I was actually thinking about it yesterday.
Look at that shit. Look at that shit. That looks nuts. That looks nuts. That looks nuts. See, it's $60.
What's it at?
26 cents.
$60. Selling dreamers now.
I mean, not the way what I'm. Look at the monthly bullish divergence.
No. I'm not saying.
60
I'll
bucks.
take a half sand.
10x is like what? 250? Yeah, like this thing can do that. It can do it.
Even if it makes half.
Yeah, even if it just does. Even if it just does the
50%.
The sandbox.
Even if it just goes to $20 this cycle, yeah. That's 100x.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a lot of plays on the board, man. There's a lot of plays on the board. That's for sure.
Well, let's get rich.
We're trying to do that. That's why we look at charts so we can position ourselves properly.
Yeah.
Well, I think we're in the right spot. I think Pulsechain's really going to do it. So
I think so too.
I just bought 30.
Because it's something that has never been done before. And usually that shit blows up.
yeah. Man, Solana is on a moon mission, dude. Gotta say.
Yeah.
Can't really shit about Solana. That's.
And we're gonna catch up to Solana too.
that is quite.
What's Solana's market cap right now?
I think it just took fourth place in total market cap.
Okay.
It's well into the billions.
Yeah.
Yeah, Solana is going to break its ATH, and I don't know. I think Solana can. I mean, I don't think it's going up here, but maybe here, like $600-700.
Okay.
Who knows? Maybe it just does some really stupid shit. Yeah, I think max target on Solana is like $1,500.
Fuck.
That's crazy.
I think that's the max it's going to do. I mean, there's no way it's getting to the top of the channel. That would be stupid. $5,000 fucking Solana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No way.
I'd take it.
Look at the volume is receding though. You see. I mean, that can change on this breakout though. When this breaks all-time high, you're going to see volume for that. I think the biggest buy on the board, if you like Solana, is serious.
I wonder if Trump's gonna pardon Snowden, like let him back in.
You mean Ulbricht?
That too.
He said he was going to.
Yeah.
You know what's probably a big buy because Trump coming into power in January is all the oil and gas industry. He's drill, right? That's his
Drill.
I didn't even think about it. It's not just drill. It's drill, baby, drill. Get it right.
Yeah. Drill, baby, drill.
He does not say that without saying the baby part.
That's
right.
funny.
What do we got? True. What do we got for some energy stocks? Because those are probably going to do extremely well.
Yeah, we should definitely throw that on a fucking post-it note.
Appreciate everybody hanging out with us tonight. It looks like we got 14 people out there on YouTube and about 24 rolled through on X, so we do appreciate you. Make sure you smashing up those likes. Smashing them up for Mr. Know-It-All. If you guys got any tickers.
Who makes the equipment for drilling?
What's that?
I was asking him who makes the equipment for drilling for oil.
That's a good question. Why don't you ask ChatGPT?
Oh, that's Grok. Fuck ChatGPT.
It'd be like Weatherford and shit like that. They do a lot of that shit because I used to work in there. I don't know if they're a public company though. Yeah, but I don't know if they actually
uranium stocks, dude. Uranium stocks. This is where it's at.
Yeah, that's a good one too.
This one's about to break its all-time high. They're a $3 billion market cap.
I have a window for. Oh, here it is.
Uroy, what are these? I haven't looked at these charts in a very long time. Yeah, uranium probably going to do pretty good. Damn, this fucking thing ripped. Jesus. Pharmaceutical stock. Yeah, I don't know. Crypto is probably a better bet than stocks, but you can make some good money in the stock market right now, too.
Is NOV a stock? Or hold on, let me see. Stock.
NOV is a stock, yeah.
They're a nice supplier for wide range drilling equipment, including drill bits, and focusing on increasing efficiency in oil withdrawal. That was the first one.
Looks pretty good on the weekly. Looks like it's
Halliburton's one too.
Yeah, Halliburton.
What's the ticker?
I don't know. I didn't say. Hold on. What are the stock?
I got it. Halliburton.
Hi, babe.
Yeah, looks like it's on support. It's probably not a bad place to buy it. This thing V-shape recovery, hardcore.
Halliburton's HAL. The other one's SLB. Schlumberger.
This pays a dividend too, Halliburton.
What's that?
2%.
2?
You might as well just fucking buy INJ and get 16% yield.
Yeah.
What about SLB, Schlumberger?
SLB.
Schlumberger.
They all look the same. V-shape recovery and back test. Looks like I charted this already a while ago.
They must have been getting ready for Trump's winning.
Yeah.
They all look good. Like they're all going to make reversals here on the weekly time frame.
Yeah, I saw all those companies when I was up in
Baker Hughes, BKR.
Yeah, Baker Hughes. They're all fucking. They're all up in North Dakota.
Baker Hughes is on the NASDAQ. Dude, that candled pretty hard today. On the weekly,
drill,
it's up.
Baby, drill.
Monthly chart looks good on Baker Hughes. Man.
Oh, yeah, it does.
That's a breakout. Yep. Not bad.
That might be a good trade for freaking Apple. Trade my Apple to that. That's BK. The other one is Weatherford International.
Yeah, that's the one I used to work for.
WFRD.
Weatherford.
It's on the NASDAQ.
NASCRAP?
They are publicly traded. Okay.
Wow. Yeah, this is probably the best looking chart out of all of them.
Yeah.
Sheep, make money off your old slave owner.
Right. I know.
Good. Looks good for a nice.
I should have been putting all that money into fucking Bitcoin back then.
Yeah.
How much is that up from the bottom? Damn.
A lot. 89x.
What year is it? Yeah, I worked for him in
COVID.
When was that? COVID or?
It exploded after.
Also, they just went public because I worked for him back in like 2011.
Nutsburger, dude.
Huh.
Nutsburger.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice channel.
Yeah, they're really busy up there in North Dakota and Texas. So
You got some longs on the weekly here. This is telling you to buy this stock.
Definitely drill, baby, drill.
If you want another good stock, but this isn't in that sector. This is a phone company. I think we spoke about this the other day. At 8x8, they're going to probably integrate voice AI into their phones.
Yeah, you were talking about that.
Look at this divergence, dude. Can't ignore that. That's crazy. This thing's going to do some stupid shit.
You see Joseph's comment?
Wow.
Joseph, yeah.
You gotta love that man.
That man, I think I made that man rich with INJ.
I think you made him rich plenty of times. But he's actually really, really good at what, like, I've talked to him a couple times, just me and him, and he knows what the fuck. He's been doing this for a while, too. Yeah. He definitely learned stuff from you, but
yeah.
I've learned a lot from you, too.
Joseph, are you an STP subscriber?
Yeah, he is. He's been with you guys for years. Yeah.
Well, he's certainly made enough ROI to stick around, I'm sure. Soundhound looks really fucking good, man. This stock looks fucking really good, dude. That stock looks... Oh, this stock, dude. This is a fucking Standard Lithium. This one is going to go nuts. I gave this call in my group at $120 at the bottom of the range. It had like some crazy 2-week RSI bull div down here. I remember looking at this.
Nice.
It's gone. Was it monthly? Oh, it was monthly bull div. Yeah, dude. Look at that. Beautiful. That's where I gave the trade setup. Yeah, that thing went fucking nuts. 90%. It's pretty crazy for a stock. Oh, they have earnings tomorrow. I wonder what's going to happen.
Well, it's AMC. It goes down every time it gets earnings.
Yeah, but when a stock has monthly bullish divergence and you're breaking a channel with volume, look at the volume.
Yeah.
Highest volume that the asset's ever seen.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is
Look at the MACD. Standard Lithium. They're a $422 million market cap. They're going to go nuts. Twilio's another one. I gave this trade setup in my Discord. Look at that. Ascending triangle breakout today. Gone. See ya. Volatility spike. Yeah, that looks really good. Really good chart.
Yeah. Sounds good. Well, we're going to take out to the store. I got to go get dinner and shit. But I'll see you back in the Telegram. And thanks for everybody coming on tonight. And we'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Let's get those gains on the Pulsechain.
BlackSheep and I'm back again. I've come to rock you back and forth and up and down and out the door for sure. I'm chilling with the DJ protocol. We come to represent and we don't give a shit, cause we're fucking rich on the Pulsechain. You know we're stacking up our gains on the Pulsechain. We got the hookers and cocaines on the Pulsechain. You know we don't give a shit, in the words of Magaboo. Jackpot, bitch. Richard Hart is such a pimp, I just wanna be like him. Give me some hotties and a Rolex.
That's the BlackSheep token. That's the token I care the least about.